Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to find the treasure map in Fish. To find hidden treasures in the Roblox game Fish, you'll need a treasure map. Here's how to do it. Use a fishing rod to fish any available water body. Each successful catch has a 1 on 160 chance of yielding a treasure map along with fish. Just note that catching crab cages or opening crates does not count. Before using a treasure map, you must fix it to reveal the coordinates of the treasure chest. Visit the Jack Sparrow NPC at the coordinates -2820, 215, 1520 on the Forsaken Shore. Jack Sparrow is located in a skull-shaped cave at the end of the cave, top floor. Fixing the map costs $250. Unfixed maps won't spawn treasure chests. Always fix your map before looking for a treasure. If you fix a map and then disconnect, the treasure might become unclaimable, and rejoining the same server may still allow you to find it. To avoid potential issues, consider using a private server when fixing and hunting treasures. And that's it guys, with your treasure map fixed and your GPS tool in hand, you're ready to hunt down hidden treasures and reap the rewards in Fish. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.